Sir, a fire broke out in the galley.
Affirmative. Fire broke out in the galley. Just conduct an initial firefight.
Affirmative for tuning, sir.
Sir, I received a call. There is a fire in the galley.
Okay, copy. I will proceed at the bridge. Attention all hands, attention all hands, attention all hands. This is a drill, this is a drill, this is a drill. Fire in the galley, fire in the galley, fire in the galley. All crew, please proceed to the master station.
Please follow me to the master station. Stay in a single file and do not push. It's as important to stay calm.
Please proceed in an orderly manner to the master station. Keep calm, do not rush. Thank you.
Bridge, this is a firefighting team. All men's count for with complete. Cadet waiting for final instruction, sir.
Copy, firefighting team. Prefer all fire hoses.
Bridge, this is support team. All men are accounted for, review their duties and responsibilities, waiting for your final instructions.
Copy, supporting team. Close all ventilation leading to galley.
Cadets, this machinery team. All men are accounted for, all electrical and ventilation are insulated in the vicinity of fire.
Copy, machinery team.
Water is on. Make sure the nozzle is steady. Aim for the base of the fire to control it quickly.
Bridge, this is a firefighting team. Fire extinguish. I repeat, fire extinguish.
Copy, all teams. Fire dismiss.
For everyone, let's go over the procedures. PPE usage was correct, but how did everyone feel about the communication during the master? Any issues?
I felt the instruction were clear, and the use of IMO, MFCP ensure no confusion. The master was organized and calm.
I think we need a quicker response times to the master stations. I suggest we run an additional drill in the future to speed things up.
Great to hear. We'll also review our gear to ensure everything is on the top condition. Does anyone have any suggestion to improve? Well done. Everyone make sure your equipment is ready for the next drill. Safety is our top priority.